I am going to solve few questions. You can see on the board 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square. Another question is sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y, and we have to prove 10x minus y by 2. Then the next question is 10 4x equals to 4 10x 1 minus 10 square x upon 1 minus 6 10 square x plus 10 to the power 4x. Then the next question is cos 6x is equal to 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x cos to the power 4x plus 18x square minus 1. And then there are two questions which is related to sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80 equals to 3 by 16. Then cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80, that is 1 by 16. So here I am going to solve the first question, and this is the left. This one is the left hand side. Now, if we see, so left hand side is 10 pi by 4 plus x upon 10 pi by 4 minus x. So here I am going to write the formula 10a plus b, that is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a into 10b. Similarly here 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b. So the value of 10 pi by 4 is 1, so 1 plus 10x, and here 1 minus 10 pi by 4 1 into 10x 10x, and here again 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x, because again 1 plus 10 pi by 4 1 into 10x 10x. Now you can see this is multiplied by this and this, so here that is going to be 1 plus 10x whole square upon 1 minus 10x whole square, and that can be written as 1 plus 10x upon 1 minus 10x whole square, and this is our right hand side. Of it group. Now see the second question. In this question, the left hand side is sin x minus sin y, and denominator cos x plus cos y. So we will apply sin c minus sin d, and the formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Here we have to apply cos c plus cos d, and that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now you can see these two cancelled out, and here this is same, this is also cancelled out. So we are having in numerator sin x minus y by 2, and in denominator cos x minus y by 2. Now you know that sin theta upon cos theta tan theta, so here that will be tan x minus y by 2, and that is our right hand side. Now here I am going to solve question number 3rd, in which the left hand side is tan 4x. So here in the next step I am going to write in this form tan 2 into 2x, and here we have to apply the formula of tan 2a, and that is 2 tan a upon 1 minus 10 square a. So 2 into, now again we have to apply the formula tan 2a, that is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a means tan square x. Here 1 minus, we can write tan to a formula, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and here is whole square. So in the numerator 2 2s are 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and here 1 minus tan square x whole square, and that is multiplied by 1. So we have to open the bracket to 1 plus tan to the power 4x minus 2 tan square x, and here this square means minus 4 tan square x, and you can understood that 1 minus tan square, that whole square will be cancelled by this section. So here 4 tan x, and this is goes in the numerator, means here. So 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. Now 1 minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square is 6 tan square x plus 10 to the power 4x, and this is our right hand side. Have a look. Now in question number 4, the left hand side is cos 6x. So first I am going to write cos 2 into 3x, that is going to be 6x. Now we have to apply the formula. We have to apply that formula in which minus 1 is there. So formula is 2 cos square x minus 1. So we got minus 1. Now 2 here cos 3x whole square minus 1. 2 here formula is cos 3x. So cos, if we open cos 3x, that is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus 1. So 2. Now we have to apply a minus b whole square, that is a square means 4 square 16 cos to the power 6x plus b square 3 3 is 9 cos square x minus 2ab. 2 a is 4 cos cube x and b is 3 cos x. After that minus 1. So 16 2s are 32. So 32 cos 6x plus 9 to the 18 cos square x minus 4 3 the 12 to the 24 to the 48. 48 cos cube and cos to the power 4x, and the last one is minus 1. So if we arrange according to the right hand side, so we can write it like that, and this is our right hand side. So have a look. Now in the fifth question, the left hand side is sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80, and we have to prove 3 by 60. Now what can we do? First we should write sin 60 because we know the value of sin 60. Then after that we have to divide by 2 and multiply by 2, and we have to write the major value for our convenience. So sin 80, then sin 40, and the last sin 20. Now 1 by 2, the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2, Here we have to apply the formula of 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B, and the formula is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Then we have to write sin 20. Now that is root 3 by 4. Here cos 40 minus cos 120, and here sin 20. Here root 3 by 4 cos 40, the value of cos 120 is minus 1 by 2, and sin 20 degree. So here root 3 by 4, we will take the LCM 2, here 2 cos 40 plus 1, and here is sin 20 degree. Now root 3 by 8, here we multiply this, 2 cos 40 sin 20 plus sin 20. After that, here root 3 by 8, and we have to apply the formula of 2 cos A sin B. And the formula of 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, minus sin A minus B plus sin 20. Now you know that here is root 3 by 8 sin 60 minus sin 20 plus sin 20. These two cancelled out, so here is root 3 by 8, and the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3, 3, 8 2 is 16. This is the right hand side. Have a glance. See the question number 6. The left hand side is cos 20 into cos 40 into cos 60 into cos 80. Here we have to prove that is 1 by 16. So here the value which is known to us, that is cos 60. Then we have to divide by 2 and multiply by 2. And we write the measure value. For making our calculation easy, nothing else. Now 1 by 2, the value of cos 60 is also 1 by 2, and here we have to apply the formula of 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B so here is 1 by 4, here is cos 120 plus cos 40, and here cos 20. 1 by 4. We know that the value of cos 120 is minus 1 by 2. So plus cos 40 degree, and here cos 20 degree. 1 by 4. We will take 2 as a LCM. Here is minus 1 plus 2 cos 40, and here is cos 20. Now 4 2 is 8 minus cos 20 plus 2 cos 40 and cos 20. 1 by 8 minus cos 20 plus, again we have to apply the formula 2 cos A cos B, that is cos A plus B means 40 plus 20 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B means 40 minus 20, 1 by 8 minus cos 20, the value of here is cos 60 and the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2, here is cos 20, here plus minus cancelled out, 1 by 8, the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 16, this is our right hand side. Have a look.